Adding dates and reminders on Notion page is quite fast and efficient if you understand how it works. For those who haven't yet figured this, check this out. Most of you know how you can mention a date on a page like today, tomorrow, yesterday, etc. While you can update this date to a different date by clicking on it and selecting another date. You can actually mention a date farther from today's date by typing out more characters of that date into Notion page. It will pick up the date matching closest to these characters from current year for you. If you want to pick a different year than the running year, then keep typing numbers of your desired year. Apart from date part, it can also quite efficiently pick up the time part, which is super cool. After the date characters, type out the numbers of your time like so. And for AM or PM selection, all you have to type after your time is the character A or P. That's all good, but can you add a reminder to the date? Yes, you can. Just add a reminder like you do to the date property, but there is a better way. Just type at R and then just like you added your dates in the earlier examples, mention your date. Often while writing something into the Notion page, I happen to add some date related information into it. Most of the times it's a future date when I want to be reminded about it. So having this shortcut works well for me. Let me know if you use this feature by Notion already or you will try now.